Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Jordan 1 Taxi. I'm going to go over the shoe. I'm going to give you an on feet, and you know I got to give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box. I was able to get these from Finish Line. So Finish Line has that plain Jane box, you feel me? No tape, no labels, no nothing like that, man. So shout out to Finish Line for the discreet packaging. And I actually got these through their bot free thing, their reservation system, where I just got like early access. So I mean, this is the second time that I got early access on some Jordan 1s. I also got the bread patents, those up there. I got those for that early access. And so for these, I had to jump on it, man. And I got my trusty box cutter. So you know what time it is, man. Peel back gang, you know the vibes. We're gonna go ahead and slice it down the middle. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back. And we're gonna peel it back, man. So, yes, sir. You know what time it is, man. Before I even open this joint all the way up, you can already see the vibes, man. This box is looking good. Let's go ahead and take it right on out. Right here, we do have that Nike box in the black and yellow. This is almost giving me like Bruce Lee type of vibes, you feel me? But we do have the Nike box, black and yellow, Jordan 1 Retro High, and this is Taxi Black Sale. So the label says Taxi Black and Sale. Hopefully you guys can catch a little bit of this. But I did get a size 10, which is my true size. I do like to go to true to size with my Jordan 1s, and it was no difference with this one. I did go with my true size as well. So open it up. We go ahead and, oh yeah, they looking just as good as I thought they would. Go ahead and take these out. We have the Jordan 1 Taxi, man. Very good, very dope looking shoe. I do have the pine greens that are set up very similar to this, but they have the green basically where you have the yellow. But yeah, man, let's get into a quick overview of the shoe. Right here we have that yellow on the toe box, and on the heel we have that sail. So it's not like super bright white, but it is that sail color right here in the middle. Midsole looks clean. I don't see any problems with stitching or anything like that. We do have the cardboard shoe tree right here. On the inside, we have that yellow insole right there that does also say Nike Air on it. Yellow sole. I mean, this is just a very clean shoe. It kind of gives that shattered backboard type of a vibe as far as color blocking is concerned. But, you know, we're really here for that on feet, man. We're really here for the outfit ideas. And one thing I can say about these is they're not going for much over retail. So if you didn't get them and you still want to grab them, they're going for like 20 bucks, 30 bucks over the retail. So I mean, if you like them, I say go ahead, grab them now, man, because the longer you wait, the price will go up just because of the color blocking. This is like a very popular color blocking design that they've used. And for all of the other ones like the court purples, the pine greens, obviously the shattered backboards, the bread toes, they have all skyrocketed in price, and I feel like these will too once people kind of dry up on the inventory. So grab them now if you want them, man. But very good quality. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to the on foot portion of the video. And right here I am throwing on the Jordan 1 Taxis, and they are definitely a good fit. I would suggest going true to size. So whatever your regular size is in Jordans, I would stick with that true size. And right here, I did throw the taxis on with one of my favorite kinds of shorts, which is the Nike woven shorts, Pirates 2-button t-shirt, and a Pirates hat. You know, this one has all the patches all around the hat, so you know, just gives a little bit extra flair on it. But yeah, definitely a cool look. We still got a little bit of sunshine left, so I'm definitely taking advantage of that. And right here, I do have the taxis on with a pair of gray jeans. So I didn't want to just do one type of pants or, you know, shorts and pants. So I decided to switch it up. Threw on the gray jeans right here. Definitely a good look. Something that, you know, you might not necessarily think would match up with it, but definitely looks good in my opinion. And so right here, I do have those gray jeans on with a Michelin-esque t-shirt. This is the Pittsburgh Penguins tee. And obviously, I do have those Jordan 1s on, man. But yeah, this is just a different take. So we got a little bit of that lighter fade on the t-shirt, which will blend in with the gray jeans. And I mean, just another take on the Jordan 1 taxi. And right here, I do have on the black jeans. Now, you know you can never go wrong with the black jeans, especially if you're wearing some Jordan 1s that have any type of black. It could just be shoelaces. It could just be the toe box. It could just be the Nike sign. But the black jeans are always going to be a go-to whenever I do have some Jordan 1s on. And right here, I do have on those black jeans, got the little holes in, you know, by the knee area, with that flannel, that black and yellow flannel. You know, see, the flannel is, you know, we get into those colder, more chilly months, so you might want to throw the long sleeve on. And it's definitely a good look. This is something that you could wear going out at nighttime. And with the flannel, you can have it buttoned up. You can unbutton it, just have it kind of like an overshirt, but it's a win-win. Got that black Pirates hat with the single side patch on the side. Definitely a clean look, and I do plan on, you know, rocking this at some point in the fall. This is going to be a good fit right here. Remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know out of these 3 fits, which one was your favorite. But remember, it's your boy Ace of the Boogie, and I'm out.